Welcome to Raj Online Trainings. Myself Raj. In the series of Java Complete Placement Codes, in this video we are going to see very important interview program. That is, we need to write a Java program to check whether the given number is Armstrong or not. First of all, let us understand what is this Armstrong number. Let me go with the definition. Let me create a new class Armstrong with main method inside. Now, let me go with the definition of this Armstrong. The definition of Armstrong number is an Armstrong number is a positive integer. It's what? It's a positive integer that is equal to the sum of its own digits. Sum of its what? Own digits, each raised to the power of the total number of digits. Total number of digits in the number. So, what is this Armstrong number? It's a positive integer that is equal to the sum of its own digits and each raised to the power of the total number of digits in the number. For example, if you take the number as 153, how many digits are there here? 3 digits. So what we should find? 1 cube. Let me write here like this, 1 cube. So this symbol I am considering like a cube here. So 1 cube to the power, considering like to the power 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube. This sum should be equal to again given number. Then we call it as Armstrong number. One more example we are having. If the number is 371, what we should find? How many digits? 3 digits. So 3 cube plus 7 cube plus 1 cube. 3 cube plus 7 cube plus 1 cube. Again, this number should be again equal to the given number. Then we call Armstrong. One more example. If we take 1634, so how many digits? 4 digits. So what we should find? 1 to the power of 4 plus 6 to the power of 4 plus 3 to the power of 4 plus 4 to the power of 4. Again, this should number equal to the given number. So these are some of the examples of Armstrong numbers. Now, let us write the code of this. For this, in order to accept the input from user, we go for scanner class, import java.util.scanner. Now, in main method, create object of scanner. Scanner is equal to new scanner. Connect to keyboard system.in. Now, accept the number. Go with the message. Enter a number. Let us go with the message. Enter a number. We'll accept the number int n equal to s dot nexted. After accepting number, now let us create one method. Let us call the method is Armstrong. We are going to call the method is Armstrong. To this method, we will pass our number. If this method is returning true, that means the number is Armstrong. So you can say in system.out.println, you can say n is Armstrong. Else, if the method is returning false, we'll go with the message n is not Armstrong. Right? Now, let us write this method now. Go with the method is Armstrong, which takes the argument n. Now let us go with some variables like a temporary variable. Since we should not lose this given number, we are storing this number into temporary variable initially. Then we require the remainder, we require the digit, like we should count the number of digits. So initially we are taking 0 and initial value of sum we are taking it as 0. Now let us, first step, we have to find the number of digits of the given number. So what we should find? To find the number of digits present in the given number. So for that, write the logic like this: while temp not equal to 0, and write here temp equal to 10 by 10. So when you divide the number by 10, we get the number will be, for example, if the temp value is 153, this loop will repeat for 3 times. So initially temp by 10, it will become 15. Then count the number of digit. So you can say digit plus plus. So the digit will be incremented by 1. So initially what is the temp value? 153. 153 not equal to 0 is temp equal to temp by 10. Temp value will become 15. Then digit plus plus. So digit will become what now? 1. Digit will become 1. Now what is the value of temp? 15. 15 not equal to 0 is again temp equal to temp by 10. So 15 by 10, 1. Again digit plus plus, digit will become 2. Again 1 not equal to 0 is again temp equal to temp by 10. Temp value will become 0. Digit plus plus, digit will become 3. Then again temp not equal to 0, that is 0 not equal to 0, false comes out. So what is the use of this loop? To find the number of digits present in the given number, right? Now once we get the number of digits, now again once we come out of loop, the value of temp will become 0. Again what we should do? We should pull out one digit from the given number and we have to find the sum to the power of every digit of number, to the power of this digit, the digits what we got. So for that one, since we lost this temp value, the number value, again what we do? We take again temp equal to the given number. Now again take the loop while temp not equal to 0. Now get the remainder. Remainder equal to temp mod 10. I have discussed already all these things in the sum of digits program. Now once we get the remainder, to that remainder we need to find the sum like this. Sum equal to sum plus, we have to find the power. How to do that? If the number is 153, when you say r equal to temp mod 10, what is the value of r? Will be 3. 153 mod 10, what we get? 3. And if the number is 153, how many digits we get? 3. So what we should find here? We should find 3 to the power of 3, right? So how to do this? We have to say math dot power. In math class, we are having a method power. Okay, see here, it's math is a class present in java.util package. You can import here. Java.lan package, no need to import because the default package which gets imported is lan package. So sum equal to sum plus math dot power. The digit, what is the digit here? R. And what is the number of digits? Digit. So if the remainder is 3 and the number of digits what we get after this loop 3, then it's going to find 3 cube. That 3 cube will be added to sum here. The 3 cube will be added to sum. Then since this math dot power returns double, we can do the typecasting to integer. We can do the typecasting to what here? Integer. That's it. Now write here temp equal to temp by 10. That's it. So what this is going to do? First it's going to take the number as 153, then gets the remainder. So finds the 3 cube. Here it's going to find 3 cube. That 3 cube will be added to sum. So what is the value of sum will be now? Sum equal to 0. Initial value of sum is 0. Then it's going to find 3 cube. That 3 cube will be added to sum. Then temp equal to temp by 10. Temp equal to 153 by 10. What we get? 15. Again 15 not equal to 0. 15 not equal to 0, yes. Okay, the condition is true. Then r equal to temp by 10. So temp mod 10. What is this 15 mod 10? We get 5. Then what we should do? We should add this 5 cube to the 3 cube. We'll add this 5 cube to the previous 3 cube. Then again temp equal temp by 10. What's the value of temp? 15. 15 by 10 is 1. 1 not equal to 0? Yes. Then what we have to find? 1 mod 10, which goes with 1. Then take that 1 cube, add it to the sum. So which we get result again 153 here. Again temp equal temp by 10. What is 1 by 10? 0. 0 not equal to 0, false comes out. Once we come out of loop, now we have to compare. If our given number equal to this sum, if the given number is sum, we are going to return true. We are going to return true, else return false. Else return false. If our given number and this sum is same, then we are going to return true, else false. Since this method is returning boolean, the return type is boolean here. The return type of this method is boolean, and since main is static, inside a static method if you call any other method directly, so this method also should be static. Right? That's it. So this completes our code. Now run the program. Very important, please practice this. If you take the number like 371, see it's saying, see 371 is Armstrong. If you take the number like 153, 153 is Armstrong. If you take one more number like 1634, so it's saying, see it is Armstrong. If you go with any other number like 123, it says 123 is not Armstrong. So this program is very, very important during your interview times. Please practice this. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.